next point is that Germany lost all her colonies. মানে জার্মানির হচ্ছে position একদম down after this. Besides territorial losses in Europe, এমনিতেই তো America got uplifted and Europe got shattered after the First World War. So Germany lost all her colonies, all her overseas possessions. Togoland and the Cameroon जो था वो जो अभी बोल रहा था हम लोग where partition हम लोग देखा ना ब्रिटेन और फ्रांस आधा आधा ले लिया. जर्मन ईस्ट अफ्रीका जो था वो ब्रिटेन एंड बेल्जियम ले लिया. ईस्ट अफ्रीका का एक पार्ट तो जर्मन colonialism था ना. Germany held it under his control. Now it was divided between Britain and Belgium. The Allied powers, Britain, France and Belgium, held these territories as mandatories of the League of Nations. Palestine and Mesopotamia जो था मतलब present day Iraq were also held, Britain वो भी ले लिया under a mandate from the League of Nations. Ever a governing mandate. What is a mandate? You know, what do you mean by a mandate? Mandate means a power to govern a territory for carrying on their economic and political reforms, upliftment, and enabling it to gain freedom within a course of time. So now you are just helping it, but your ultimate motto is not colonialism, but to let them become free. ওদের একটু uplift করিয়ে দাও so that they can become free. Now in order to prevent next point, future aggression, Germany's military strength was also crippled. एक तो economic power cripple कर दिया गया. इतना हजार कत $33 billion मांगा, billion वो भी. And the German army was restricted to a force of खाली 1 lakh soldiers. German army हो सकता है, उसके बेसिस नहीं बोल दिया. And Navy was limited to only 15,000 men and 36 ships. और Air Force तो totally ban कर दिया. So no submarines were also allowed. So Air Force and submarines disallowed हो गया. 15,000 Navy and 1 lakh soldiers. Germany was neither to make nor to purchase from outside. Tanks तुम खरीद भी नहीं सकते हो. You cannot make it also. Armored cars भी नहीं. Then supply of coal. Germany had to supply huge quantities of coal to France, Italy and Belgium for 10 years. माने ये जो repercussion था, it will be either for 10 to 15 years আর কি জার্মানির অসম্ভব একটা setback হলো. Several countries now gained independence. The complete independence of Belgium, Poland, Czechoslovakia, all was recognized by Germany. The Czechs got Silesia, Bohemia, Moravia, and thus created a state of, and then all of them together they formed the state of Czechoslovakia. Serbia obtained Slovenic states, Slovenia, Bosnia, Croatia, Herzegovina. सब सर्बिया के अंदर चला गया. एंड अजीब तो अब सर्बिया का नया नाम होगा यूगोस्लाविया. एंड उनका कैपिटल होगा बेलग्रेड. ओके. नेक्स्ट, लीग ऑफ नेशन. फाइनल टर्म. फाइनली द कोवेनेंट ऑफ द लीग ऑफ नेशंस वाज एडेड टू द ट्रीटी ऑफ वर्साई में. The covenant of League of Nations was also added. Close it.